The VIVOHOME 20.7 QT electric deep fryer emerges as a top-notch kitchen appliance, combining powerful performance with thoughtful features to cater to both home and commercial frying needs. The standout feature of this deep fryer is its precise timer and heat control. The adjustable temperature range of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, and the 0-60 minutes free setting timer with automatic shutoff provide users with the flexibility to achieve perfect results. The signal bell not only streamlines the cooking process but also ensures that your fry delights are consistently crispy on the outside and tender inside. With a powerful performance driven by two separate 2500W fryer basins, this appliance excels not only in home kitchens but also in commercial settings. Fast food stands, restaurants, supermarkets, and snack bars can benefit from the quick and efficient frying capability of this deep fryer, ideal for a variety of foods including chips, fish, chicken, donuts, and more. The large capacity of 20.7 QT 19.6 L, with each basin holding 10.35 QT 9.8 L, allows for frying different foods simultaneously at varying temperatures. The recommended oil capacity of up to 12.7 QT 12 L, coupled with safety guidelines to not overfill the basket, ensures a convenient and effective frying experience. Safety takes center stage in the VIVOHOME deep fryer. The temperature limiter guards against overheating, the lid prevents oil spills, and the wider, longer, and thicker plastic handles on the removable fryer basket minimize the risk of burns, ensuring safe and easy operation. The thoughtful details further enhance user convenience. Handles on both sides of the oil tank simplify pouring, scales on the inside of the tank eliminate the need for manual measurements, and included fingertip rubber-covered gloves and a skimmer-slotted spoon add an extra layer of safety and convenience. In conclusion, the VIVOHOME 20.7 QT electric deep fryer impresses with its powerful performance, precise controls, large capacity, and safety features. Whether you're a home cook or a professional in a commercial kitchen, this deep fryer delivers on both versatility and ease of use.